Welcome friends, this is Hanigat again from Cocoweave with my next tutorial about emotional intelligence. I hope you do remember the last two tutorials we had attended regarding how to be aware of your emotions and how to become emotionally intelligent beings. I'm sure you haven't forgotten as yet. So let's move on to our tutorial number 3, which is again about emotional intelligence, but it's more about asking you that how do you actually handle your emotions? Do you hide them? Do you ignore them? Do you put your attention into something else and leave them the way they are? Do you leave them unattended? Is that the way that you handle your emotions? If you do, that's probably not the right way. But unfortunately, that's most of us do most of the times. We try to either hide or suppress or ignore our emotions and start focusing our attention on something else which we feel is more important or prior to us. But in the process, we again come back to square one and we again have to deal with those emotions which we don't want to deal. And the best idea is to probably face them and deal your emotions. Now, when I say emotions again and again, besides using the term as feelings, don't you think that emotions is like, if I disintegrate this word into E and motions, that is motion, emotions in motion, is that like E, energy in motion? That comes like E, emotion. Does that make sense? So we know that is for sure as a universal law that energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed. But the only thing that can happen to energy is it can only change its form. Same happens to our emotions also. They are not destroyed on its own. It's something that you would have to deal with it. You would have to face it and probably change its form. When I say change its form, it's probably when I'm trying to talk about two major emotions. That's about negative set of emotions and positive set of emotions. And of course, most of us want to experience positive set of emotions. So positive emotions means something that makes me feel happy, good, excited, exuberant, all that. And when I talk about negative set of emotions, that's a set of emotion which makes me feel sad, depressed, frustrated, angry, or something that I do not like. Now use the term that I do not like. I repeat that. So negative emotions are those emotions that you do not like, and positive emotions are those emotions which you like. So when you get to deal with your emotions, try to get the subtle hints that it's trying to give you. Is it something that you are liking, or is it something that you are not liking? So what do you do not like? You do convert it into something which you like. Let's take an example. I stand here in front of the camera and talk about emotional intelligence, integrating with you guys, connecting with you and sharing every bit of knowledge and information that I have. The question that I need to ask myself is, how does that make me feel? I say it makes me feel great. It makes me feel super, a sense of gratitude, self-satisfaction, a sense of achievement. All positive emotions are coming up. So when positive emotions are coming up, what I need to do? I need to do more of it, to reinforce something that I'm doing, and that will help me to maintain my emotions, my moods, my temperament, everything, right? And what if I stand here and I say that I do not like what I'm doing? So what should I do then? I need to stop doing what I'm doing and what I'm not liking. That's exactly what I want you to do. Whenever you are faced with some emotions and you're not able to distinguish between what you should do, just ask yourself, is it something that I'm liking to do, or is it something that I'm not liking to do? Because every negative emotion would have a corresponding positive emotion as well. So what you do not like, stop doing that and start doing something which you really like. And your emotions are giving you those subtle hints which probably go ahead from your subconscious mind and communicate with your conscious mind. So you need to be aware, and this comes through self-awareness, which we have already discussed into our tutorial 1 and 2, wherein you explore your emotions, you know your emotions, you become aware of your emotions, and you challenge your emotions, right? So with this thought today, I want you to again get into that self-exploration part, but probably start questioning what I'm liking and what I'm not liking. So next time, whenever you are gripped with some emotions, learn the art of dealing with those emotions rather than avoiding them, suppressing them, ignoring them, or probably just thinking as if I'll do something else, these emotions will go away. They'll not go away. You would have to do something to transform its energy. That will help you out to become a better emotional being and probably more connected with the people that you love and like. With this, Honeygut saying thank you to all of you for sparing your valuable time, and please do not forget to share your stories, share your emotions. Let me know what kind of challenges do you face in dealing with your emotions and how we can cope with them. I'll be so happy to know and respond to them. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time. Bye-bye.